Knowledge is like paint. It's no good until it's applied. My course is the one for you because you'll have the opportunity to apply your newfound knowledge and really learn how the techniques work in practice. After over 16 years teaching at college level, I believe I know what works. It's learning through the application of knowledge that leads to real and deep understanding. It's easy to listen to lectures and understand what's being presented, but it's not until you try to apply and use that knowledge that you acquire real and deep competence. In this course, you'll receive training in the use of widely used business logic functions such as if, and or functions, lookup functions, in the use of data validation and workbook protection, and much, much more. But most importantly, you'll be able to do so in the context of building a real application where these techniques will be applied by you in a series of exercises which will provide an opportunity to apply your knowledge and skills. That's when you will start to learn. All of the exercises also come with a solution video and Excel templates for use as downloadable resources. This material has been developed over many years in the college environment with many students, so the approach has been well tried and tested. You have the same opportunity. I absolutely guarantee that you will learn more here than in any other course you're going to take in Microsoft Excel. So take up my challenge, get ready and enroll now.